We're out here to do the best we possibly can against the best teams in the world. It's so exciting being here. We absolutely love the Invitational Cup. That's why we keep coming back.
The entire crew was looking around, what's the next pressure going to come, what's the next shift going to come. So that was very key. And then the team was also very good around the corner. So.
During the first race, we got fouled, and we didn't think much of it at the time. There was contact, and when we were going upwinds, I noticed that the starboard spreader didn't seem to be seated the way it used to be. There was a lot of uncertainty at the time. We were hoping that it was not a big deal, but then they had riggers show up here and look it over and decide that no, they weren't comfortable with using that boat anymore. It was a big task. We were really supported well by New York Yacht Club and their resources to get the boat ready, and the team put in a huge effort until just after the sunset last night to get as ready as we could. So I was really proud of everybody that once we got to the race course, we could put the sails up and try to see what we were sailing.
The fleet is very intense, and everyone has their own pride with their yacht club. So to get first place in this prestigious regatta is a big thing for us. We are very joyful.